In a previous video, I had talked about bleeding this RABS module here. So I had to change my rear brake cylinders because they were leaking after I bled it last time. So this time I stopped by the junkyard and got me a connector. I wired up the ground to the black wire, and then the red and yellow wire are going to be the two different heights, and the green wire I didn't hook to anything. So I wired that up to an extension cord. Yeah. And I got my 2 amp, I got a battery charger set on 2 amps. I hooked my ground to my ground, so the other two is going to be hot. I can't remember which one's which there. See if I can get this set up where you can see what I'm doing here. So now I'm going to bleed that rear anti-lock brake module. So I'm pumping this up. You can see. But if I, especially this one, I'm letting up off of it slow. Don't know if it matters if you go back and forth between the two. But if I just push this one, it bleeds that module. I'll get you a little bit better view. So this one's on the ground. I pump it up. And, you know, so I'm not doing both of them at the same time. It kind of looked like that in the camera. I suppose a guy could do this. Maybe to more simulate what it's doing, not sure.